Do either of you believe in self-fulfilling prophecies?
Ek glo wat jy spreek kan met jou gebeur.
Ja,
Ek dink ook al lê krag in woorde.
Right.
Yeah.
So, a bizarre incident in Thailand has led to a routine police investigation. How this worked was, a young woman went to a temple. She'd been there the whole day. She'd kind of been experiencing the vibe of the temple and enjoying just everything that it had to offer. And one of the things on offer was a fortune teller.
Ja.
So this fortune teller said to this young lady, listen here, you are going to experience some bad luck very soon.
Ek sien dit.
Dis
She
iets
was
wat iemand wil hoor.
what is happening? What's going on? And then she left the fortune teller, went to one of the praying areas and whatever, and then realized her cell phone had been taken. She was like, oh, so this fortune teller actually was saying the right thing. Hy het reg, nie geraai nie, maar hy het reg gepraat dat ek 'n slegte luck gaan ervaar, 'n slegte geluk gaan ervaar, want my selfoon is weg. She's like, oh my word, this guy is great. Toe hulle die foon soek, wie die foon gevat?
The fortune
Die fortune teller.